Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you the LULA loader and unloader for 5.56 223 magazines. You got to make sure that the lever is in the up position. Place it over the magazine just like this until it clicks. Now face the magazine in the up position, push the lever back, insert around, and push the lever forward, insert around, push the lever back, insert around, and do so until the magazine is full. In order to empty the magazine, all you got to do is have the magazine facing to the bottom and do the same lever action as before. In order to release the LULA from the magazine, you have this part here. You lift it up. Thank you very much for watching. For more information, visit our website and to find your local Mag LULA dealer.